everyone, hope you all are doing great. Today I'm here again with new topic, that is again from your 6th semester BA 6th semester paper 1, and the title is your Indian and New Literature in English. Today I'm again going to cover 10 to 15 important questions, very important, very important for your examination. And the unit which I'm going to cover is unit 3rd drama, and the drama is 7 Steps Around the Fire by Mahesh Dattani. Important work hai, and we should always understand the basic things about any work which is prescribed in our syllabus. So let's understand the all these questions well, and so that you can understand well and you can do well in your examination. Let's start with the video. So before understanding the play and the question answer, let's understand a bit more about the play, dear students. 7 Steps Around the Fire by Mahesh Dattani is a beautiful play. And here is a summary on the screen. You can see, dear students, you can pause the video here and take out this screenshot of this short summary, and this will help you understanding the summary as well as the main character's name, which is definitely going to come in your examination. So 7 Steps Around the Fire is a play by Mahesh Dattani that explores the lives and struggles of ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी इन इंडिया. सो ये जो स्टोरी है वो ट्रांसजेंडर कम्युनिटी के बारे में है. द स्टोरी सेट इन अ कंटेम्प्रेरी इंडिया एंड फॉलोज द इन्वेस्टिगेशन ऑफ अ मर्डर. सो यहाँ पे इसे पॉज कर लें और थोड़ा सा जो समरी दी है यू विल अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट इट. So play begins with the murder of Kamla, a beautiful Hijra. Uma Rao, who is researching the Hijra community, becomes involved in the investigation. Uma's research brings her into contact with Anarkali, another Hijra. So this is how story moves further. और आप इसे summary को यहाँ पे pause करके study कर सकते हैं dear students. ये आपको clear हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Let's understand important questions about this important play, and these are some 15 to 16 important questions. Those are important for your examination point of view. First question here is, what is the central theme of Mahesh Dattani's 7 Steps Around the Fire? So the answer is gender identity and societal norms. जो यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं ट्रांसजेंडर के बारे में, जो सोसाइटी के अंदर हमारा जो जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी आज भी हमें देखने को मिलती है, जो प्रिविलेजेस मिलते हैं नॉर्मल लोगों को, और जो डिस्क्रिमिनेशंस होता है ट्रांसजेंडर के साथ इन आवर सोसाइटी, उससे रिलेटेड है ये प्ले. So the answer is C. Who is the main protagonist in 7 Steps Around the Fire? Protagonist का मतलब होता है hero or the heroine of the novel or any film. So यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं कि who is the main lead or the hero or the heroine of the this play. So option A, Uma Rao, who is the journalist, is the protagonist of this play. What is the profession of Uma Rao in the play? So as I've already told that she is a university lecturer and researcher. What specific community does the play 7 Steps Around the Fire highlight? So we talk about transgender community, dear students. यहाँ पे हम बात बार कर रहे हैं कि this play is all about transgenders. So ये जो option B is correct here. Who is the character Anarkali in 7 Steps Around the Fire? So the answer is a member of Hijra community. Anarkali comes from Hijra community. What incident sets off the investigation in 7 Steps Around the Fire? ये जो पूरा का पूरा प्ले है, वहाँ पे जो पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो रही है किस वजह से हो रही है? सो दैट इज अ मर्डर केस. द आंसर इज बी. Whose murder is Uma Rao investigation in the play? So that is Kamla. Kamla का जो है वो Uma Rao, who is a researcher and a journalist as well. So वो जो है कमला का मर्डर हुआ है उसको इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है. So question अगर आता है कि मर्डर किसका हुआ है dear students? So that is Kamla. In 7 Steps Around the Fire, who is Subbu? So Subbu is a politician's son who is secretly married to Kamla. जो कमला का जो मर्डर हुआ है उसका जो अफेयर था, या फिर उसको कह सकते हैं, आप प्ले को रीड करते हैं, सो देयर इज कि ही इज इन अफेयर और द हिडन मैरिज विद कमला. सो ये पॉलिटिशियन का सन है. व्हाट सोसाइटल इशू डज 7 Steps अराउंड द फायर क्रिटिक, किसके बारे में यहाँ बार बार क्रिटिक किया गया है और बहुत ही जिस चीज़ को अच्छा नहीं माना गया है? द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द हिजरा कम्युनिटी इन इंडिया, वी हैव क्रिटिक्ड, वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट इन अ वे दैट विच इज़ नॉट सो गुड अबाउट, दैट इज़ द ट्रीटमेंट। जो हिजरा कम्युनिटी को जो ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया है, ट्रांसजेंडर्स को जो यहाँ पे ट्रीटमेंट दिया गया है हमारी सोसाइटी के अंदर, उसकी आलोचना इस प्ले में की गई है। क्रिटिक इज आलोचना। How does the title 7 Steps Around the Fire relate to the play theme? The 10th question is, how does the title 7 Steps Around the Fire relate to the play's theme? जो 7 Steps Around the Fire है वो कैसे theme से relate करता है? The answer is A. It refers to the traditional Hindu marriage ceremony symbolizing union and commitment. ये पूरी तरीके से दिखा रहा है कि जो टाइटल है वो दिखा रहा है कि how with simple 7 steps those are heavenly in our religion. So इनके साथ हम कैसे एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा dedicated and pious और committed relation में जुड़ जाते हैं. When was Mahesh Dattani born? There start some questions, dear students, about the author. So these are important ones. These dates are really important, dear students. तो आप इन्हें note कर लीजिए. When the date is 1958. In which year did Mahesh Dattani win the Sahitya Academy Award for his playwriting? That is 2000. Yeah, 2000. When was 7 Steps Around the Fire first performed? Important question है dear students ये. 1998. In which city was Mahesh Dattani born? That is Bangalore. The option B is Bangalore. What is a recurring theme in Mahesh Dattani's plays? हम ये देखते हैं कि जो महेश दत्तानी he is a prominent Indian playwright, इनके जो है and he is a filmmaker as well. So इनके plays के अंदर जो एक recurring ये लगातार जो theme, जो main lead होता है, जो theme होता है, जो background होता है, जो plot होता है, that is always related to social issues and marginalized communities के बारे में ये बात करते हैं. So the option C. Which of Mahesh Dattani's play deals with gender identity and the experience of a transgender character? ये again question घुमा के पूछा गया है. 7 Steps Around the Fire. The question number 16, 7 Steps Around the Fire, जिसके महेश दत्तानी का कौन सा प्ले है जो जेंडर आइडेंटिटी एंड एक्सपीरियंसेस ऑफ अ ट्रांसजेंडर कैरेक्टर के ऊपर बेस्ड है? दैट इज 7 Steps Around the Fire. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये वीडियो यहाँ पे एंड होता है और मैं यहाँ पे आपको ये बताना चाहूँगी कि आप इसका समरी जरूर देख लें, कैरेक्टर्स के नेम्स देख लें, दोज आर इम्पॉर्टेंट वन. इन सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस को अच्छे से एक बार रीड कर लें, नोट डाउन कर लें और अपनी जो प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उसमें इसको भी एक थोड़ा सा इसको भी देख लें. सो दिस वीडियो विल हेल्प with your the different preparation you are doing in regard with your examination. So thank you so much for watching this video.